Hello, wonderful people. Welcome back to another video. Charlie, I've missed you rough, guys. I've missed you, Pan. I miss you, Charlie. I miss you guys rough. Now, today, I have some wonderful story for you. Now, Shatta come talk something like he write for in Twitter handle say he dey hear someone where he go promoting music. Yeah. Of late, Shatta bring some music, be like 4 tracks, be last week there. No, he bring some 4 tracks, be where he say he dey hear a lawyer fan way he go support and promote that song. So if you think you be Shatta lawyer fan where you won't promote the song, then this be a great opportunity for you. But Shatta talk say they hear any fake fans beer, any fake love beer. Actually, if you think say you be lawyer there, then this be a great opportunity for you where you feel promoting songs where you too say it get big like big thing for you, like it go pay you, it go give you plenty money. So the guys wey we want plenty money, this be opportunity for us. So make you no slack cry actually. We for DG, we for try on our best. So say we go get small coins from this deal inside. This one it be better deal, yeah, it be big deal. Saturday if you do anything for him fans. So we for try on our best so that we go get some money. Alright guys, thanks for staying with me. Ciao.